Alright, this is just a quick proof of life video of a few models so I can get them back to their respective owners. First up is a GS4. This is a 1260306. This is an earlier run GS4. It was actually sent to me previously by the owner to have the drivers replaced on it, along with a couple of other GS4s. And he had LokSound installed in one of them, but not this one at that time. So he got this unit back and decided he wanted LokSound installed in this one too. Maybe because it ran great after being redrivered, or maybe just like the sound equipped unit he got before. I don't know. Don't really ask these questions. But we will fire this guy up. And hit the headlight. And the Mars light. And on to the next. Next up is another GS4. In this case is a 1260310 from the most recent run. It too also came in here for sound. You may notice that I have done a lot of GS4s. Just like the previous one, it received a new ESU LokSound Kato Japan style board and speaker, and the tender got the rear light wired in too. This is pretty much the same, except for I didn't have to redriver it, so there's that. Front light board's been modified to get rid of their greenish, yellowish LEDs. Got a Mars light that's been separated out on there. They both have rear lights added. And moving right along. Alright, next up is a 137-2001 GG1, Pennsylvania Railroad. This guy received a ESU Kato USA 58741 board. It's got ESU's GG1 sound file installed in it. The frame I disassembled and machined out for two 15x8 speakers that are in there. I've got another video that shows how to do that. I've done a few of these in the past. And so without further ado, I'm just going to hit a headlight and hit some noise. And there you go. Some quick proof of life video of a couple of GS4s and a GG1. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day.